Have you seen those viral videos of giant, ultra-muscular presidents taking over your feed? Some of them are pulling absolutely insane numbers, like this one, which got almost 50 million views just on TikTok and Instagram alone. If you've ever found yourself wondering how people are creating those kinds of videos so easily and consistently without spending hours messing around or paying for 100 different AI tools, I've got some good news for you. I've found the perfect all-in-one solution that lets you create these viral-style videos quickly, effortlessly, and without the usual headaches. I had this issue too. So I took my magical staff and I worked hard. The AI tool I was talking about is called FusionMaster.ai. And yes, as some of you might have guessed, it's actually a tool we created to make AI content creation easier, faster, and way more fun for creators like you. Now, making viral magic is simpler than ever. Let's dive in. As you can see, FusionMaster.ai has 7 different booths, each based on trending AI content niches that are blowing up right now. And there'll probably be even more by the time this video goes live. For this video, we'll be using the Buffed Giants booth. Just click on it and it'll take you straight to the prompt page. Here you can drop in a simple one-sentence prompt, and our prompt enhancer, which you can toggle on or off, will automatically level it up for you, so you don't have to worry about complicated prompt writing ever again. Let's try it with this example. Ultra-muscular Donald Trump walking toward the camera. Boom, our image is ready. Now let's animate it. And yep, it's as easy as 2 more clicks. Just pick your preferred video quality, 720p or 1080p, hit generate, and that's it. No more tool hopping, no more stress, no more wasting time. While our video is rendering, let's test that same exact prompt on some of the more well-known tools like Midjourney and Leonardo. And, as expected, they hit us with the usual guideline violations. Frustrating, right?
Error. Access denied.
Sorry for that. Meanwhile, while we were jumping through hoops over there, our FusionMaster.ai video is ready. Let's check it out. Looks fire, right? Let's download that and keep going. This time, let's generate a buffed Kim Jong-un standing on top of a mountain. Wow, the result looks epic. Now let's animate it. But before we do, we'll tweak the movement a bit. Let's have Kim look around while standing still. A simple change, but it adds a lot of personality. And there you have it. You can see for yourself the result is smooth and clean. Now let's generate buffed Putin walking through Moscow City. Same process as before. We drop the prompt, the image gets generated, we select 1080p quality for the animation, and hit start. While it's rendering, let me show you some of the other awesome booths inside FusionMaster.ai. Check this one out, the UFC Fighters booth. Here you can generate presidents or celebrities as UFC fighters using just a simple prompt. Take a look at this example. Putin looks seriously dangerous in this one, not gonna lie. Now let's try the jacked human generator. This one lets you create ultra-jacked characters with wild prompts. Let's go with something crazy like Trump as a jacked model wearing a pink robe. And wow, the result is hilariously spot on and actually looks amazing. And the best part? Still no guideline errors anywhere. While we were messing around, our Putin video finished rendering, and it turned out great. Now all you have to do is generate a few more clips like this, stitch them together in CapCut, and your full video is ready to upload. I'll see you in the editing part. Let's finish this strong. Now let's stitch all the videos we generated together. First, import everything into a CapCut project and drag the clips into the timeline. I recommend starting with your strongest clip, the most eye-catching one. That first few seconds are crucial for grabbing attention and keeping people watching, especially on social media platforms. Next, let's add some catchy music with a solid beat drop. Funk tracks always perform well, but make sure to double-check the copyright status of the song you're using to avoid issues. For this example, I'm picking a random track from the CapCut library. It has a perfect beat drop that works great. Why is the beat drop important? Because that's exactly where we're going to place our first clip transition. To do that, line up the second clip so that it starts right when the beat drops. This creates a smooth and powerful transition effect that grabs attention. Pro tip, you can place a marker on the music track to easily find and sync the beat drop. Now let's add transitions between all the clips to make everything flow better. Pick a transition style you like, then apply it to all the clips in one go. Next up, text overlays. Add a title or description so viewers immediately know what the video is about. Choose a clean, bold font with a good contrast color so it stands out. To make the text look even better, apply in and out animations so it appears and disappears smoothly. Here's a time saver. Once you animate one text bar, you can copy and paste it across the video. CapCut will keep the animation settings, so you don't need to redo them every time. Now let's line everything up, double check that the pacing is smooth, and I think it looks amazing and totally ready to export. Let's take a look at the final result. And there it is, your own full video made with FusionMaster.ai, edited and polished for the spotlight. Whether you're here to push the boundaries of parody, explore weird creature hybrids, or just have fun creating, this tool lets you bypass the limits and take control of your creativity. The entire workflow takes under 30 minutes, and you can easily batch create a week's worth of content in a single afternoon. Our amazing community is growing, reaching fantastic new heights. Here are the best comments from the previous video. You are a huge part of this success. Big shout out to you guys. Your AI Fusion Master appreciates your trust and support. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what kind of results you got by using my tool. And of course, share it and share this video. I hope to see your results in what you will come up with. As always, stay creative and keep making magic.